Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Chapter 7. Knowledge of the Absolute. There are two things, absolute and the relative. This is relative world. Here we cannot understand one thing without the other. As soon as we speak that here is son, there must be father. As soon as we say here is husband, there must be wife. As soon as we say here is servant, there must be master. As soon as we say here is light, there must be darkness. This is called relative world. One has to be understood by other relative terms. But there is another world which is called absolute world. There, the master and the servant, the same. There is no distinction. Although one is master and other is servant, but the position is the same. So, the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita is giving us some hint about the absolute world, absolute knowledge. How that knowledge can be attained, that is being spoken by the Absolute, Supreme Person, Krishna. Krishna is the Absolute Supreme Person. Ishara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadi Radi Govinda Sarvakaram Karam. This is the definition of Krishna given by Lord Brahma in his book known as Brahma Samhita, very authorized book. This book was collected by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from southern India, and he presented it to his devotees when he came back from southern India too. Therefore, we accept this book, Brahma Samhita, as very authoritative. This is our process of knowledge. We receive knowledge from the authority. Everyone receives knowledge from the authority, but general authority and our process of accepting authority is little different. Our process of accepting one authority means he also accepting his previous authority. One cannot be authority self-made. That is not possible. Then it is imperfect. I have given this example many times, that a child learns from his father. The child asks the father, "Father, what is this machine?" And the father says, "My dear child, it is called microphone." So the child receives the knowledge from the father, this is microphone. So when the child says to somebody else, this is microphone, it is correct. Although he is child, still, because he has received the knowledge from the authority, his expression is correct. Similarly, if he receives knowledge from the authority, then I may be child, but my expression is correct. This is our process of knowledge. We do not manufacture knowledge. That is the process given in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 4th chapter. Evam parampara praptam imang raja risayo jivi. This parampara system, imang vivassati yogam parkavar ahamam vayam vivassana manaviprahu manu khata vibravit. Evam parampara. So, absolute knowledge can be achieved when we hear from the Absolute. No person in the relative world can inform us about the absolute knowledge. That is not possible. So, here we are understanding about the absolute world, absolute knowledge from the Supreme Person, the Absolute Person. Absolute Person means Anadi, Adi, Govind. He is the original person, but he has no original. Therefore absolute. He is not to be understood being caused by somebody else. That is God. So here, in this chapter, therefore, it is said, Sri Bhagavan Vat, an absolute person. Bhagavan means the absolute person who does not depend on anyone else.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare